Hello, I have 10 years of university and also diploma of configuration and subsistence of knowledge information, knowledge management, or otherwise computer science. And I found it difficulty in here right now, and I'm going to fix it. Here's my computer, and for instance, I will show you everything. I use the amperometer, for instance, to measure also what was happening, for example, happening inside my board. And I'm an expert of law. In law, that I'm intelligent, that I know everything in law. But in the computer, it's not so strong for me. But well, my point is that I'm fixing my computer, and I am going to change right now some things on my computer. And for instance, well, leaving here the things, I will show you a little bit about the computer. Well, here's my office, right? And I have a lot of tools in here. For instance, a lot of tools. For instance, this one here. One moment, please. Let me put this on. This is for wall hammer. I have also the other tool that is called the soldering gun. The soldering gun, and this is for the computer motherboard, and also this is the silicone gun. That's for other thing. Well, other stuffs as well here. This is for well, you know, turning more. I'm going to put these things right here together, and well, I have to explain to you. I have to change two things in here. I have to change this new one, this new hard disk, and this that is in my box that I bought just in this day, the processor of the motherboard. And the motherboard, yeah, well, I will explain to you a little bit about the motherboard, and of course here the motherboard is also called the main board. Well, it's also called the main board, and also called the system board. The central processing unit, the central processing unit, memory and peripherals were housed on individual printed circuit boards, which plugged into the back plate. A motherboard provides the electrical connections by which the other components of the system communicate. Well, we find a lot of things in here. For instance, the sockets. We find one moment, please. We find the sockets. We find the drum, the DIN, the chipset, the clock generator, the other device, the USB, other peripherals, for instance. And now I'm going to fix this, and I'm going to take a little bit this of the space in here. Well, also we have to consider that we have a lot of connectors in here. We have, for instance, the SATA connectors, the BIOS flash chip, the Salt Bridge, the CMOS backup, integrated graphics processors, PCI slot, integrated audio, integrated gigabit Ethernet chip, PCI Express slot, connectors for integrated peripherals, CPU socket, CPU fan, a heatsink mount, CPU fan connector, DIMM memory, the Super Yo chip, 24-pin floppy drive connector, SATA connector, IDE connector. Well, yeah, and now I can we will fix it. Okay, I will make a zoom in here for me to fix it. Well, yeah, just put a little bit back. I have to change two things in here. This one here, well, I just changed right now. That is the hard disk, and I did put a new one in here. This is the old one, and let's put it again, just very quickly, because I want to do this very quickly. I'm putting here just first of all, this is very easy, and here I want to just press in here to turn this well, and right now I'm changing the here is the processor that I bought in this day, and I have to change, and very quickly, yeah, okay, the exactly side that I wanted, and I'm watching here the lights on. Well, yeah, exactly this side actually. This side. It must be on this side. Yeah. And putting here. Yeah. Now I'm going to turn my tool for the processor. Yeah. Now it's locked, and I changed the processor in here. Okay. And I changed the hard disk also in here. And for instance, we have the hard disk and the processor in here right now. And I'm going to put everything here, the ventilator. First of all, we have to put the part of the processor, and have to get a way to put in. Okay, yeah, I got a way. Okay, and now I have to do something. We have to turn this in here. Okay. Well, yeah. How I'm going to turn? Yeah. I will still turn this in here to continue, and afterwards I will see. Okay. And this others I did the set the configuration today in the other computer, so that the hard disk doesn't cause any problem when we switch on the computer. And here is the